I want to move on to Solana. Let's look at our Solana coin here. Um, so what has Solana done? Solana is currently trading at $138.28. And Solana also got some support on that yellow line, the 100-day moving average. The 100-day moving average on Saturday was trading at $130.97, and Solana ended up blowing past that at $121.88 is how low it got, but it ended up closing once again above the 100-day moving average. It closed at $138 on Saturday. So it looks like the Solana bulls are defending the 100-day moving average as best as they can. Yeah. I would be a buyer of Solana here. Because that's a nice healthy dip, healthy correction that we got. With anticipation of Solana going back up to it was trading at about $170, $180 for the most part back in middle of March, going into middle of April here. So I think that's a good sale. That's a good price to get in at Solana right now at $138. Because we got as high as like $209 on March 17th. So, and then we also got another high here at like $203 on March 31st. It was a lower high. That was a little bit concerning that it made pretty much like almost a double top. But we had the dip, we have the correction. So I would be a buyer of Solana here, because I think Solana, just looking at the history here of Solana, I think Solana can get back up to where it was in November of 2021 when we were trading at like $250. I have a Fibonacci retracement tool here that shows you that if you look at this rainbow chart, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. So yeah, I mean, Solana, it needed to defend the $134 level, and we're currently trading above the $134. That is the golden pocket for the retracement here. The golden retracement number would be the 0.618 level here, which is $163, $164. So if we can get back up to $164, that gives us a little bit more breathing room where we can feel better about our Solana investment. But yeah, we need to get back up to $206, which is the 0.786 retracement level, for us to feel comfortable about Solana going to higher highs and higher prices here. So yeah, if I was to game plan this, I was to buy Solana right now at $138, I would put my stop loss. I don't know if I want to keep it at $120, but I would probably put the stop loss right with the 100-day moving averages, which is about $131 for a tighter stop loss. If you want the stop loss to be a little bit looser than that, you could put the stop loss at the $122 level, which is what we got as low at during Saturday this past weekend. But yeah, I would put stop losses there, because if we do drop down on Solana and it blows down past your stop losses, we could see Solana go down to the 200-day moving average, which is that red line there. And that 200-day moving average is about $94. And that's going to be a pretty brutal day for a lot of Solana investors. But we should see some support there if we do go lower than $120 on Solana. Yeah. So let's hope it doesn't get that far. Let's just hope like this is as bad as it gets, because I don't think the bears and the short sellers thought like prices were gonna get this low for cryptocurrencies. We did not expect Iran to launch missiles at Israel. We thought like they were going to do something, but we did not think it was going to be 500 missiles and drones being sent at Israel. So that was what they call a black swan event. in trading world here. That's something that nobody was expecting. I mean, we kind of had an idea something was going to happen with Israel and Iran because Israel did something about a week ago, 2 weeks ago, when they bombed the embassy in Syria. But we just did not expect it to get as bad as it was going to be for cryptocurrency world. And the other markets, it's not just cryptocurrencies. The stock market took a beating this past week because they knew that something bad was going to happen between Israel and Iran. So we can only hope and pray that there's going to be peace between those two nations because we don't really need any more bad news here. I've heard some funny things some people were saying this weekend. Oh my God, Iran just attacked my portfolio today. My portfolio got attacked by Iran. But yeah, let's hope things get better over there. No more bloodshed, no more people getting hurt. I'm really glad that nobody did get hurt. Well, I'm happy that no one got killed this past weekend after Iran launched all those missiles. And I hope it stays that way. But guys, if you like this video, go ahead and click the like button. Let's try to get some likes on here. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel where I go live every Monday around 7 p.m. and I take requests, cryptocurrency requests, and we try to analyze them, things as like what's going on the charts. And we try to go over the news if there is any news for that particular cryptocurrency. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click that like button if you haven't already too.